Sanding can be so messy. Look at this stuff. There's so much dust here, I could...
Has this ever happened to you? Are you tired of cleaning up all that messy dust after sanding? Are you tired of me pretending to sneeze into a pile of dust? What, you don't think I'd do it? Hey, Newbie Dan here, and I can't believe I just did that. Anyway, here's my portable sanding station, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, so stick around. This sanding station mimics a downdraft table, and that name, Downdraft, describes it perfectly. The surface has holes in it, and there's a dust port on the side. Attach it to your shop vac or dust collection system, and it creates a downdraft that sucks dust down into it, helping to keep the dust out of the air and off your workbench. It's incredibly easy to build. I keep the sanding station under my workbench. As you can see, it has a pegboard top, which I got at Home Depot, and a dust port on the side that I got from Rockler. There's a link for the dust port in the description below. It's just a simple box, 4 sides, a top and a bottom. I feel like a magician's assistant turning the box around for the audience. The dimensions are somewhat arbitrary. I made mine 24 inches square. The sides are about 3.5 inches tall, which is tall enough to attach the dust port. The bottom is a 1/2 inch thick, and I don't really remember what the material is, but you can make it out of virtually anything. Mine's held together with wood screws, but you could glue most of it if you wanted. Just don't glue the top down. You want to be able to get inside in case something falls through the holes. I've got a couple of pieces of wood screwed to the underside of the top to help support it. The sides are made out of pieces of 3/4 inch scrap Baltic birch plywood I had lying around, but as I said earlier, you can make it out of virtually any kind of wood. Here's the hole for the dust port. Looks like I used screws that were too long. You can see here that I didn't have pieces of wood long enough, so I cobbled something together using some mending plates. Some people put an angled board inside to help improve the suction, but I haven't tried that. When I'm done with the sanding station, I just stick it back under my workbench. As I said, it's easy to build and it works pretty well.
Sanding can be so messy. Look at this stuff. It's almost as if somebody emptied out a... Look at this stuff. It's almost as if somebody emptied out one of their dust pouches all over the table. That couldn't have happened. There's so much dust here, I could... Good thing I got that on the first take, because I wasn't doing that again.